Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our '74 Bronco. It would be a nice drive as you make project or whatever you may, or start restoring it right away. There you can see a little mud in here. It's originally green. They painted it flat black. Got some heavy duty old bumpers on her. So you put some flares on it. So that's been done. Got a dent there in the rocker and a little bit of rust. A little rust in the corner of the door. It's a little bit right there. Not bad though, that won't take much to fix. So that door, I don't know, they put fiberglass in it. See the underneath pictures, pretty solid. The seat's not an original seat. As you can see, it was originally green. Needs a dash pad. Windshield's got three big chips in it. This is all there, which a lot of times that's gutted out. So, of course, floor mat's gone. Dual tank Bronco. Wasn't a half cab originally. It's a U15, so that means it had a full cab, and they converted it over. And I don't know why they fiberglassed the floor. Just to make it solid, I suppose. I don't know. Underneath it didn't look that bad, so there you can see some Bondo in the corner there. Bondo here too. But these on both sides, this looks pretty good, and that's usually a weak spot on them. So this side's not as bad there. A little bit there in the rocker, sill plate. Inside of the doors all look good, so pretty solid old Bronco. Come from South Dakota and Wyoming, so be a good project on, or if you just want a cheap one to run around in the woods or whatever. This one needs a little bit of stuff, wiper blade or wipers, blower motor, and then I'd probably fix the steering sector if I was gonna keep it as my driver. So 605-695-7391.